Hi everyone, welcome to the Flintstones car. 1966 Ford Thunderbird. Just remove that floor pan there. Now I'd just like to show you something, and this one too. I'd just like to show you something. Two things actually. Just hang on, give me a second. I've just got a bunch of gears. Demolished just disassembled a transmission, manual transmission that I had from an old Honda. It's gonna be useful. I think I'm gonna make a bead roller or beater from two of those gears. Anyways, I'd like to just take it to that corner there. As you can see, there's like a second wall, an empty space behind this wall here. There's that inner wall there, which is really stupid because that just, asks for rust and water to collect in there. I really don't see why they put this extra wall here. There's really no reason to do so. Now just look at that corner there. Look how much junk is inside there. And similarly on this side here. I can literally put my hand in there. Fortunately, the frame is still firm, still solid. For one little piece here, I'm gonna fold a piece of steel there and so that I can reinforce this piece. But overall, still very good. Now, what I'd like to mention, especially in this video, is that you should always remove this shit here. And as you can see, whoever had it before me didn't bother to do so. And it just gets worse and worse with that stuff in there. And now, I would not blow this with the gun, with the air gun, because it's just going to throw it all over the place. So I'm going to use the vacuum cleaner to remove it. But since that end there is, how can I say, it's open. In this case, I might just put the gun here and see if it'll come out on that side. And this side here, as you can see, they did a very lousy job on the joints here, the seams. As you can see, it rusted through the seams here. But overall, this sheet piece here is still fairly good. I'm just gonna put a piece here and a piece here and just patch this up. No need to remove the whole thing. Now here is pretty much where the source of the problem is. You see right there at the top, that hole? Water probably gets in through there and falls inside here and just goes everywhere. Just fucking everywhere. Similarly, just look at that. Now, if they had just put that inner fender there, any water that came here, it would just fall to the ground instead of just going all over the place, right? So it's things that seem little but that matter. Things like this, are things that are gonna, it's gonna define the future of the car. Is it gonna last 5 years or 50 years, right? And unfortunately, they could have done that better. I guess perhaps with the extra fender, with that inner fender, it helps insulation, but I mean, there's no need for that. Alright, so this is just going to be a real quick video, that's it. Just, as you can see, I'm sort of cleaning everything up. Have to cover everything up once I start painting. So my procedure here is weld, obviously, and then paint, or prime, right? Either prime or prime. There's some paints that are primer and paint in one. So prime and paint it, and then give it a good layer of rubberized asphalt. But there you have it, just to show you guys the procedure, how it's sort of coming along. I'll clean that up there later. And well, there you go.